Welcome to LKRR PSC Basic English School. So, dear student, actually our chapter name is matter of molecular. Today we start that in the next one concept. It's very important for chemistry, for NEET, for JEE, for MHTCT, or for other competitive exam. It is related to the science. Today's concept is the concentration of the solution. It is actually our concept. It is again for NEET exam. Some question is always related to this. So, in chemistry, concentration of the solution is the how much substance it is mixed with the another substance. It is actually simply concentration of the solution. So, firstly, I would like to define the definition of the concentration of a solution. And its definition is so simple: the amount of solute present per unit mass or per unit volume of the solution. It is called as the concentration of the solution. It is the definition firstly. Amount of solute present per unit amount of solute present per unit mass or per unit volume of the solution. How much amount of solute it is present? When we have to find how much amount of solute present in the solution, then we can use that is one simple term in the chemistry, and the name of that term is the concentration of the solution. This should be simply used. So, in our syllabus, that is we have given three terms in the form of percentage. Mass by mass percentage means actually mass by mass percentage of solute in the solution is three way given: mass by mass percentage of solute in the solution. This is the first term, first concept, first concentration of solution. Second one, mass by volume percentage of solute in the solution. And third one concept, it is the volume by volume percentage of solute in the solution. So, in this way, dear student, we are having the how much concept? We are having the three concepts. Three way. So, we will study one by one concept, that is the first one, mass by mass percentage of solute in the solution. So, that is the concentration of the solution in terms of this mass percentage solution. That is the simply we can say that mass of solute in gram dissolved in 100 gram of the solution. Mass of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solution. It is simply called as a mass by mass percentage. And its formula we have given, that is the mass of solute. Mass of solute divided by mass of solution, and percentage is there, therefore into 100. This is the formula to find mass by mass percentage. See, we have to study that in the numerical based on mass by mass percentage of the solute in the solution. But I take one simple example. To actually 10 gram of sugar, 10 gram of what? Sugar is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. Okay? Actually, why this gram is given? Because the solution it is always present in the gram. That's why not liter. Liter we will use in case of the volume. That's why 10 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 gram of the solution, and we have to find the percentage, that is mass of here solute is the sugar divided by mass of solution into what? 100. So simply 10 is the mass of sugar, 100 as it is, this 100, so it becomes 10%. This is the simple way to find the mass by mass percentage of solute in the solution. I think you understand. That is the first. Then now second one concentration is the mass by volume percentage of solute in the solution. Means actually the amount of solute present in liter of the solution, 100 unit of the solution. It is the simple way. Its formula is the mass of solute. What is the formula? Mass of solute divided by, in place of C, its formula is, this concept is very simple. Mass of solute here in place of mass, volume of solution, into what? This is the 100. Okay, this is the simple second one. We have in the example, that is the 10 gram of salt is dissolved in, that is the 100 milliliter of the solution. So 10 gram of salt is dissolved in 100 milliliter of solution. Actually, this scale gram per milliliter is also present. This is again present in the gram per liter, again present in the kilogram per liter. Three scale is here. Here mass of solute, it is the salt, is how much gram? 10 gram. Mass, actually volume of solution is the 100 ml. So, and percentage means actually 100. So it is again 100 is the 10% gram per liter. Gram per liter. Like way we can find mass by volume percentage of solute in the solution. I already said that it is present in the three way. One is the gram per liter. Second means the gram per milliliter. Second, gram per liter. And third one, kilogram per liter. This way we can find. And third one, volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage absolute in the solution. This is the third one. Okay. In this concept, that is simply volume of solute divided by volume of solution into what? 100. This is the simple formula we have given. So, actually, we have given the numerical volume 10 milliliter of alcohol. Simple example. 10 ml of alcohol is dissolved in 100 ml of solution or 100 ml of dissolved in 100 ml of water or solution. Then we have to find that is the volume by volume percentage. Volume is how much? Alcohol 10 ml. Solution 100 ml. Into what? This 100. This 100 and 100 cancel. That is the 10% is the volume. Okay? In this way we simply calculate that is the concentration of solution in terms of mass by mass percentage, in terms of mass by volume percentage, and volume by volume percentage. Thank you.